Alright, you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited. I finally got to do this. This is one of the things that I always wanted to do, but I never had the chance or I never tried it. So I'm super excited. Subscribe, please. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own Supreme bags. Well, not this exact ones, but just, I wouldn't call it fake. It's going to be more of a custom. Because, you know, everybody has this one. This one's my favorite just because it matches everything. It's black, has everything fits in here. I take my lunch, I take everything in here. And then I also have this one, which is just gets dirty really easily. But it's also really cool. I like to put pins on mine. Have some pins right there. But the ones we're gonna be making out of is these. They're like the fanny packs. You know, you carry them like this, pretty fashionable. So I have these two that I got from, I think they were like from Urban. They were having a sale. So I have these two. And also I have these two patches that I got from, wait, are they backwards? They're both backwards. That I got from Etsy. They're actually like $2 each. So they're super easy to get. It takes, I think it took like 3 days to get shipped to the house. So that's what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna be ironing anything on because actually the fabric on this one is like a plasticky. I don't know what the fuck this. Oh, I'm sorry. What fabric this is. But I'm gonna be actually using this, which is in Spanish is called cola loca, but well, it's kind of the same. Crazy glue in English. Dollar Tree, $1. So that's what I'm going to be using, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure you know where exactly you want it, like align your placement. For me, I like this one probably here. I was first thinking over here, but when you wear it, like this is what showcases. So I kind of like that. Like I said, I love plaid, I just love plaid, so that's why I wanted to do this plaid one. And it's just, I don't know, just something cool, and it's bigger. I can fit more stuff in there. So that one I'm for sure gonna place there. And then for this red one, oh wait, what's the bottom? Yeah, for this red one, same thing. Is gonna be basically, since this is the bottom, I want it to be kind of centered. So I'm gonna do it around there. So now that you actually found the placement for where you want them to be, you just want to make sure you do this. And you gotta be careful because this will get on like any surfaces or even on your hands, and that sucks to have like crazy glue on your hands for like all these days, because then it starts getting scabby and it gets caught on like your clothing, and it's just crazy. So you gotta be a little careful. You just poke it there. Ooh, it's already leaking. So yep, you just want to make sure you put it all the way around. Don't get too crazy with it, because then you don't want it to actually like get outside on the fabric. You want it to look legit. You want it to look professional. Like I said, I'm not trying to make a fake Supreme. Well, it's more of a custom. I just want something that nobody will have, that it'll look different. This red one, I know it's going to look like some of them, but it's not going to be identical, just because I wanted it to be black and red instead of all red and white, which that's what my main goal was. So you just place it, make sure wherever you place it, that's where you really want it, and then you just want to hold it for a couple minutes to make sure that it like sticks there. Okay, so now that that one's done, well, kind of, I like how it came out. It looks pretty cool. Like I said, I like the red and black. I like the contrast on the black, and then just the zipper and just everything. Like I said, it's not Supreme, it's Urban. You can really see the Urban Outfitters little brand right there. But I also bought this keychain that I thought it was pretty cool. At the mall, they sell these at the little Hypebeast, like little boutiques that sometimes they have at the mall, where you can come and trade like your shoes and stuff in. So I thought this would be pretty cool, just putting it here, just to make it look more like Supreme, you know, when you just out there. I think I'm just gonna put it on the other one, because that one's gonna hang too low. So there we go. That's that one. So let's go ahead and start with the next one. Like I said, this one's one of my favorites, or probably even my favorite because of the plaid, the colorway that it has, and just the different patterns and just how different it looks. It just doesn't look supreme, but it does once you make this and you put this on. Alright, let's get started with this one. I'm turning it on this way because then I can see where I want it. So, like I said, I'm still debating. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, I want it right there. I was undecided, so I was like, wait. So let me make sure I know where I want it. So, okay, you kind of know. Yep, okay. So, same thing, you guys. Let's make sure we get some on there, but don't get too much because you don't want it to go crazy. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying not to cuss, you guys. I want this to be like a plain tutorial. But I'm just like all over the place. Ooh, look, I didn't know you could do this. Boom. Hey. The little cap has a hole, so like I didn't know where to put it, and I didn't want to place it because I didn't want it to fall out. But this is pretty, you know. Boom. Hey. Okay, let me close this up because I don't want it to dry because I'm still gonna use it, and then start placing this. Okay, so it's a little, it's not centered, but I already placed it there. I don't want glue everywhere. So I'm just gonna hold it down now and wait till it dries. All right, you guys, so here's our Supreme bags that we just made. So like I said, it's just pretty easy, really simple, and it's just a unique way to have something different that people will compliment you on. I'll show some outfits after this bit. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. I will be uploading videos probably twice a week. They're just gonna be about tutorials about how to make my own stuff, how to design my own stuff, DIYs, and then also just updating my bedroom. I'm gonna have a huge bedroom update, so I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. Kind of like a hyped bedroom, but also just making it my own about what I like and everything. I just want them to feel like my room's, you know, my room. So in general, like I want it to be inspire, or just in general, like to have my feeling of what I like and what I'm into. So definitely subscribe, like I said. I will have a giveaway, but I'll be letting you guys know after in a couple of days.